Welcome to Mom's Craft with Children. Today we are going to make some different types of beady keyrings. I hope you all like this video because it's really creative. So I'm going to do this owl keyring.
I'm going to do this turtle keyring.
And do this frog teddy. And my baby's gonna do the fish keyring. So right now I'm gonna open these things that are inside the beady keyring thing. So there's an instruction, some googly eyes, and some of the beads, beady clay, like these. And then this is the instructions. These are for the these faces, and these are the keyrings,
And whatever you want to do here.
Cheese. Huh? This is the instructions of how to make a mouse beady keyring. First we have to take a ball, then use the orange modeling material and cover it all over the ball. We need to make the nose and put it near our face. We need to make it into a cone shape. Stick the cone and the face together.
Yummy.
Then take a pink packet and then put it near the nose. Then take a yellow packet of modeling materials and then make it into a 3D rectangular shape. Make sure it's nice and neat and properly. Then, after you've done it, then stick it to the face and the nose. Then, take some orange and pink modeling materials and stick them together. Then put them on the face. After, take 2 googly eyes and put it on the face. The googly eyes are 2 sides of the nose, and the ears are on the head. As you can see in the picture. Look at the picture, then we can make the body like this. We can make feet with pink material. We are nearly finished, just we need to fix the tail and put on the keyring. Just we need to dry it for 24 hours. See, it's a really nice beady keyring. Like this, we can make different keyrings. You should try this at home.
What's this?
Frog. Did he finish doing his frog?
Yeah.
Oh my, that's so cute. Now all you need to do is I just put 3 spots on the edge.
Yeah.
And then put a keyring. Hey. Oh, you're finished. Now you just need to put a keyring.
Karen. This is my baby Karen.
Thank you for watching my video. The next video I am going to do is how to make a doll from a sock.